Want to know how to switch your profile in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing something known as the menu. So you have to simply select menu right here, and once you have done that, here you should be seeing your profile and your profile picture with your name in it. So simply select it, and now once I've selected it, you should be under the change profile or switch profile menu. So you can just simply add account by selecting add account right here, and you can just simply switch accordingly, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily switch accounts in Messenger application. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you on the next one.